Stop scrolling for a second. I need to show you something. This photo on the right? I took it with my phone. Just a regular picture. Nothing special. This image on the left? I gave that same photo to ChatGPT Images 2.0 and typed one sentence. One sentence. And it turned it into that. Now here's the part that actually blew my mind. It's completely free. No subscription. No credit card. Anyone can do this right now. OpenAI just released ChatGPT Images 2.0 and it is genuinely one of the most impressive things I've ever seen an AI do. And in this video I'm going to show you everything, what it can do, how to use it like a pro, and some genuinely crazy things most people don't know about yet. So if you've got 20 minutes, which I promise will feel like 5, let's go through this together. I'm going to show you every single feature, give you the best prompts to use, and by the end you'll be making images that look like they were made by a professional designer. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me explain what ChatGPT Images 2.0 actually is, in the most simple way possible. You know how the old ChatGPT image generation worked, right? You'd type a description and it would make an image, but the results were hit or miss. Sometimes good, sometimes weird-looking hands with 6 fingers. We all know the vibe. ChatGPT Images 2.0 is a completely new image generation system. It's not just an upgrade, it's basically a whole new tool. The quality jumped massively, it understands context way better. It can edit existing images, not just create new ones. And the most important part, it's built directly into ChatGPT so you don't need to go anywhere else. Think of it this way. Old ChatGPT Images was like a drawing app where you describe something and it draws it. ChatGPT Images 2.0 is like having a professional Photoshop editor and a graphic designer and a photographer all in one box, and you control it all with just words. And here's what makes this actually different from anything else out there right now. It works with your existing images. So you can take a photo of yourself, a product, literally anything, and ask it to change things about it. The background, the style, the lighting, the colors, everything. Alright, let me stop talking and start showing you. Because this is one of those tools where seeing it is way more powerful than me describing it. Let's start with the basics. You type a description and it creates an image. But here's the thing. Images 2.0 understands description in a way the old version never did. Watch what happens when I type a really detailed prompt. A cozy coffee shop in Tokyo at night, rain outside, warm golden lighting inside, a single person sitting by the window reading a book, cinematic photography style. That image? That looks like a professional photographer spent hours setting up that shot. It took 15 seconds. Light bulb prompt tip. Always add cinematic photography style, or highly detailed, or professional quality, to the end of any prompt. These words alone make the output 3 times better. Number 2, changing backgrounds. This is the one that content creators are absolutely going crazy over right now. You upload a photo of yourself, your product, your pet, whatever, and you just tell it what background you want. Watch this. I upload this photo, and I type. Keep the subject exactly the same but change the background to a luxury penthouse in Dubai with city views at sunset. And just like that, boom. I'm in Dubai. I'm not, but the photo says I am. This alone is worth knowing about. Professional photographers charge hundreds of dollars for background replacement. ChatGPT Images 2.0 does it in 20 seconds for free. Number 3, turning photos into art styles. This one is just pure fun. You upload any photo and tell it what art style you want. Studio Ghibli anime style? Done. Marvel comic book style? Done. Oil painting from the 1800s? Done. Pixar 3D animation style? Done. I've seen people use this to make Christmas cards, birthday gifts, profile pictures. The creative uses are literally endless. Number 4, adding or removing objects from existing photos. This is the one that feels closest to actual magic. You can take a photo of an empty room and add furniture. Take a photo of your car and add a mountain backdrop. Take a photo of food and make the table look more luxurious. Or remove something you don't want in a photo. A stranger in the background, a messy cable, anything. The results are so realistic that most people genuinely cannot tell the difference from the original photo. That's how good Images 2.0 is at this. Number 5, logos and business graphics. Freelancers listen up because this one is going to make you money. You can ask Images 2.0 to create professional logos, social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, business cards, flyers, basically any visual that a business would normally pay a designer to create. And the quality is genuinely professional level now. I'm talking the kind of designs that people pay $100 to $500 for on Fiverr. You can produce them in minutes. Light bulb money tip. Offer logo design services on Fiverr using ChatGPT Images 2.0. Charge $30 to $50 per logo. With Images 2.0, each logo takes you about 10 minutes. That's $180 to $300 an hour. Number 6, memes and viral content. Okay, this one is just pure chaos and I'm here for it. You can describe literally any meme concept and Images 2.0 will create it. And the quality is so much better than the old meme generators everyone used to use. You get full control over the style, the text, the characters, everything. If you run social media accounts, this is a game changer. You can create fresh, original meme content every single day in minutes. Number 7. And this is the one that most people don't know about yet, multi-image editing. You can upload more than one photo at the same time, and then ask ChatGPT Images 2.0 to combine elements from both of them. So you could upload a photo of a room and a photo of some furniture and say, put this furniture in this room. Or upload a photo of a face and a photo of a hairstyle and say, give this person this hairstyle. Or upload 2 different products and create a lifestyle photo featuring both of them. This feature alone is worth an entire video. It's that powerful. Okay, so I've spent a lot of time testing prompts and I want to give you the ones that actually work consistently. These are the formats that get the best results every single time. The cinematic photo formula. Subject, location, time of day, weather or lighting, camera style, additional detail. Example. A young woman walking through a neon-lit street in Tokyo, rainy night, reflections on wet pavement, shot on 35mm film, bokeh background, cinematic. This formula works for basically any photorealistic image you want to create. Professional product photography of product, on, surface, lighting style, background, commercial photography style, high resolution. Example. Professional product photography of a glass perfume bottle on white marble, soft studio lighting, clean white background, commercial photography style, high resolution. This is the formula that e-commerce stores pay photographers hundreds of dollars per shot for. You can make 10 of them in 10 minutes. Transform this image into art style. Keep what to preserve. Make it look adjective. Example. Transform this photo into a Japanese watercolor painting. Keep the composition and main subject exactly the same. Make it look soft, delicate, and detailed. Create a professional style logo for brand name. Brand vibe. Describe colors. Colors. Include icon or text or both. Make it suitable for use case. Example. Create a professional minimalist logo for a coffee brand called Origin. Brand vibe, premium, warm, artisanal. Colors, dark brown and cream. Include a small coffee bean icon. Make it suitable for packaging and social media. Light bulb golden rule. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Vague prompts give vague results. Specific prompts give professional results. Always spend 30 extra seconds making your prompt more detailed. It makes a huge difference. Okay, almost done, but before we wrap up I want to give you my top tips that will make your images dramatically better right away. Tip 1. Use reference styles. Instead of trying to describe a style from scratch, name a specific style. Say, in the style of National Geographic photography, or, in the style of Apple product advertising, or, in the style of Wes Anderson film color grading. These references give the AI a very precise target. Tip 2. Ask for multiple variations. After you get a result you like, type, give me 4 variations of this with different color schemes. Or, give me 3 versions with different lighting styles. Getting variations costs nothing and gives you more options to choose from. Tip 3. Iterate, don't restart. If you get a result that's close but not perfect, don't delete it and start over. Just say, I like this but make the lighting warmer, or, change the person's expression to be more confident. Images 2.0 can refine the same image multiple times. Tip 4. Be specific about text in images. If you need text in your image, like for a logo or a poster, spell it out exactly and put it in quotes. Say, add the text Apex Fitness in bold white letters at the top of the image. The more precise you are about text, the less errors you get. Tip 5. Download everything you like immediately. ChatGPT doesn't save your image history forever. If you generate something great, download it right away before the session ends. Light bulb final pro tip. Keep a document of your best performing prompts. When you find a prompt that produces amazing results, save it. Build your personal prompt library. Over time, this becomes incredibly valuable. Alright, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. ChatGPT Images 2.0 just launched and it's completely free. It can create images from text, change photo backgrounds, transform photos into art styles, add and remove objects, create logos and business graphics, make viral meme content, and combine multiple photos together. You can use it to make money offering product photography, social media content, logos, and print-on-demand products. And the 5 tips I gave you: use reference styles, ask for variations, iterate, don't restart, be specific about text, and save your prompts, will make every image you create dramatically better. Look, every time a new AI tool drops like this, there's a small window where the people who learn it fast get a real advantage. Most people will watch a 2-minute video about this and move on. You just spent 20 minutes going deep on it. You know things now that 99% of people don't. Use that. Go open ChatGPT right now. It's free, it takes 30 seconds to sign up, and try one of the prompts I showed you. I promise you'll be shocked at what comes out. If this video helped you, please subscribe, because I break down new AI tools every single week and I always find the ones that are actually worth your time. Drop a comment telling me what you're going to create first. I read every single one. See you in the next one.